Okay, hope you're well. Okay.
Yes, I am. I hope you are well too.
Okay. So you already completed our online training program on 7 days.
Yes,
Okay. And I hope you already complete all of assignment regarding this
yes,
assignment.
I
Okay.
have.
So kindly introduce yourself and first then also mention about that what you think about online training program. Is it anyone who don't have any knowledge about the Google Earth Engine or JavaScript they can easily learn it or not? What do you think, please?
Okay, firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mohammad Sajeedul Haque. I'm currently doing my undergrad at Chittagong University. The discipline is forestry, and I've completed your course, which is wonderful. And I think it's great for beginners who want to get into GIS, especially learn about Google Earth Engine, because it explains the basic concepts thoroughly, which helps in completing the task. And it's great that there is no deadline because things can happen and it takes time to complete those tasks.
Okay, thank you.
Overall, I would recommend it to everyone.
Okay, thank you. So basically, which contents are most helpful for your work?
The contents that are most helpful are the links to the work you showed us and the recorded videos, because while doing the assignments we had to reference a lot of things, and it helps to reference the thing that it is hard to remember, like
Uh,
the specific codes.
okay, okay. So among the whole course content, what is more beneficial for your study, mainly your group study or your department? Basically, which content are most helpful for you?
The part where you taught us about NDI and land use, land cover classification, because I'm studying forestry, I have to deal with a lot of forested areas, and the GIS helps us identify these forested areas and their growth and loss very efficiently without costing a lot. And Google Earth is basically free, so it's great to learn about this sort of things. And thank you for teaching us.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so hope you learn all of the details properly. So actually, not stop the learning. Basically, day by day also come advanced technology for GIS and remote sensing.
Yes.
Just keep in touch. So now I
Okay,
thank
I
you.
will.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.